Okay, guys. We're looking at Euro USD as the brother said we should look at Euro USD. So we're gonna focus on the current structure, right?
Sure.
So focusing on the current structure, we're gonna have the height of this structure. We have it right, and then we have to have the low of the structure, which is this one. You see? So from here,
Yeah.
guys, we're gonna take the lowest low of the whole market price, and this is the lowest low of the whole market price. And then from the day weekly, I'm gonna go to the daily. On the daily, that's when we can say let's start using trend line. It's okay, it's fine. For your trend line to be accurate, how many touches does it need, guys?
3.
Yeah, it needs 3 touches. So we're gonna start with this one. 1, 2, 3. You see that there was perfect touches, guys. So if you were to look for this thing in a formation of an N3, it's fine. You're alone, you're chilling by your room, smoking whatever you're gonna be smoking or eating whatever you're gonna be eating. You have your pattern like this, right? So when you have your pattern like this, as Manando always say, as I always say, guys, ne?
Sure.
I keep repeating the same thing. You are alone. You see your first touch. You see your second touch. You see your third touch. Remember, when you're taking a position with the third touch, you are trading the risk entry. It's not reduced. It's what? It's risk entry.
Risk entry.
It's okay. It's fine. If you were to take this setup, your take profit has to be here. You understand, guys? So now you're gonna come here and say, okay, we're gonna go where? Long. So that's long. You understand? From that level, it's long. And then we do this. You have your stop loss tight. And then there's it. You see? Are we still on the same page? So when you have it like this,
Sure.
when you have it like this, then you're gonna come back to your replay button. Why is it not appearing anymore? Where did it go? Okay, I'm just gonna do the exit, then it will show how price moved. Okay, you see, guys, how price moved. You see how you could have involved with price by just having your third touch only. You see what could have happened. You saw the outcome of that third touch. Most you did, guys. Did you get it? Are you getting it?
Yeah, ngiyakuthola mina kancane kancane.
Yes.
If you don't understand, guys, you can ask. No, it's not a problem to ask. We can repeat. You know, I'm your guy. Guys, in the group, if I don't participate. Where, guys? Now always be there when you need me the most. You understand? Because we just keep doing the same thing. This thing will never change. The way I'm analyzing price right now, it can never change. So, okay, perfect. It's fine. You had it like this. Now price did what? Broke the level. When it breaks the level, it came to a new level and it formed a what? It formed a new what? A new level. Here is it. It's perfect. So from the daily time frame, we have to move to the what? To the 4 hour. When we go to the 4 hour, oh, I love the chats. Guys, I'm gonna go down as the best trader to ever live. So okay, it's fine. What do you see here, guys? I guess we all see the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Nah, don't answer me. What do you see?
Head and
Head and
shoulders.
shoulder.
You see, you guys are smart. You guys have a bright future. I like the fact that you saw that this is a what? A head and shoulder.
Then should.
Like you need to see those patterns, Joe, spiritually. You see that it's a head and shoulder. So when it's a head and shoulder, we can use a zone. This zone to highlight this zone. So now Euro USD in your what? Entry level. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour. So guys, allow me to say sell US30. We have a steep, what do you call? We have a steep, this is a flag. I can call it a steep flag. Others can call it whatever they wanna call it. Then like this. So now I'm looking at price to do something like this, you know. You can wait for the breakout and then you wait for the retest, which is your what? Correction, and then impulse, correction, and then impulse, just like that. So we're gonna come analyze this part, and I wanna show you something, guys, something which you couldn't notice. As I said, I'm a risk entry trader. So as a risk entry trader, I was gonna take my setup from the 1, 2. I was gonna take my setup there as a sell. You know why? I don't wait for confirmation. Why? I'm a risk entry trader. Is everything clear about what I'm saying, class?
Sure.
Yes,
Class,
sir.
are we on the same page, class? Good morning,
Yo,
class.
Nandos.
Yeah,
Hey, Nandos.
Abuti.
I'm actually on the sell.
Yeah, hold it. You see that? You see the same thing as your Nando's. I'm the
Yeah.
hottest spice in the game when it comes to trend lines. Are you with me, class?
Sure, Nandos.
Yes, sir.
Let me show you something. Price happened this side here before. The same thing that happened here is the same thing that's involving right now. Class, do you get that, class? Ah, my fate. Next side. Next side.
Nandos.
Yeah, man, under the goat, man. They can hate, but they can never take the skill, class. So this is why you need to be looking at your take profit. So for you to continue with the trade, you will need to wait for price to do what? To break, and it gives you a what? A break and a retest. Then you can go down. Are we all in the same page?
Sure, we get you.
To those who have questions, you can ask your questions before we move forward. I guess if there's no question at all, we are on the same page. Are we in the same page, class?
Sure, Nandos.
Yeah, Abuti wami.
So ngikonfirma kanjani ukuthi no isikhathi for i-entry, the time for i-entry?
As I said, we have two types of entries. We have the reduced, ne? And we have the
Sure.
risk entry. So I'll show you with the bar pattern. We are taking this structure, ne?
Sure.
It's fine. So I'm taking that structure, I'm taking it to a plain field. When we get there, I'm about to do the unbelievable. So, okay, here's the structure, ne, Abuti waka.
Sure.
When this is a structure, let's say I said we need 3 touches, right? 1,
Yes.
2, and what?
3.
And 3 touch. And then again, just to accommodate the lows, I'll have this one. So, okay, it's fine. Let's look at the thing that I'm having here. I think I've zoomed a lot. Okay, it's fine. As I said, if you're trading the risk entry setup, 1, 2, 3 plus Bazella, double top. So wouldn't you know where you're taking your entry?
You will know.
You would know because of what? Because of the third touch. So that's the first one. That's the first one, which is the what? Which is the risk entry. Then now I want to show you the reduced risk entry. Manando Gista. Manando Gista. Okay, it's fine. So now we are going to the what? Reduced risk entry. Are we on the same page?
Sure.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's fine. We had that one which you understood how I take the risk entries, right? Now we are on the reduced risk entry part. Okay, we have the low. Perfect. And we have the structure. This structure, it's guaranteed that it will sell. Why? It comes from an impulse. As stated, guys, it's impulse correction and what?
Impulse.
An impulse. The class of 2020, 2022, we're making it. Impulse, correction, and what?
Impulse.
Impulse. The class of 2022, we're making it. And then we're going to go back where we took it. We're going to go back where we took. We took the correction here. There's a background noise, please. We took the correction here. After this correction, look how price went down. It shows that it has played out. It did what you wanted it to do, because it gave you what? A confirmation of what you've been looking for, which was an impulse, correction, and what? And impulse. So between the two, which one is more risky, guys? Is it the reduced? Is it the risk entry?
It's a risk entry.
Is the risk entry. Why is it the risk entry? Because on the risk entry, we don't have a what? A fully confirmation if price will do what? If price will really sell. Because guys, let me show you something right there by the third touch. It was possible for price to do this. Abe price out clock when it was possible to just keep pushing high. And then Wario, the setup is always against me. The setup can never always be against you. Remember, we're just risking with the third touch. That's why when you ask us, man, how do you get those killer entries? Those are the power of the third touch. But low enough who you're waiting for the reduced risk entry, still you would have made what? Capital. It's all about making what? Capital.
Yeah.
But then you need to make it in a safe way. I can blow 10,000 right now and fund it. So you need to ask yourself, if you blow, can you fund it same time? If the answer is no, stick to the what? Reduced risk entry.
Yeah.
So this is how I would have had this one. You see that my risk entry paid, but then like Loena, who you are trading reduced. Loena, Joe, if you could have had it, you were gone. Imagine holding it till here. Better than fast. But as long as you understand what I wanted to put there. But guys, now if you still don't believe I'm making Forex simple, I don't know. Okay, check out how you could have capitalized. I'll just put it in this way because it's trying to act smart on me. But you see like how you could have capitalized also, guys. This whole thing, you could have capitalized.
So,
Is everything clear to you guys?
yeah, for me, for my side, it's clear.
So can we move to another pair?
Yes,
Sure.
please.
What are we moving to, my people?
GBP AUD.
USD.
Okay, GBP AUD, GBP AUD, GBP AUD, GBP AUD. What's special about GBP US AUD? Does it pay?
No, I analyzed it today, so I wanted to check something.
Tell us what you saw before we analyze. What did you see?
Aye.
It was selling to me. It was selling.
Okay, let's go. Higher height, lower low, important level. Then we zoom the structure. If we were to look at this structure, we have a height here, and then we can move to the daily now. So on the daily, price went up with the what, guys? Impulse. And now price is giving you a what?
Correction.
Correction. But there's a tricky part. To the guy who saw a sell, we can't blame him. There's a tricky part. So we're going to go to the 4 hour now to see his fate. Yeah. Let's make Forex fun, guys. Okay. So here, guys, we fix our trend lines on how they connect. How many touches do you have on the lower low?
2 touches.
Thanks. The person who said 2 touches, you have seen them well. Once you see it, you can't do what?
You can't unsee them.
You can't unsee them. So, okay, it's fine. We are having it like these, agents. So when we are having it like this, if you saw a sell, you are correct. Because price has to come and give you a what? A third touch. Because of this intersection, there's an intersection there. Here's a what? Intersection. So with that intersection, we are now praying on price to come break here, give you the correction you need, bank, and then go down. Guys, just clap the hands for this man.
Oh, yeah.
And then,
Yeah, Budi.
thing is, I saw like the overall correction, like it's bullish. Isn't that quite risky? Or
The overall, hey, you English, you show you went to vets. The overall
I did.
correction, the overall correction is bullish, but then price hasn't filled certain points. We have 1, we have 2. What about the third touch? We have 1, we have 2, we have 3 touches. So don't you think price is unfair?
Yeah,
and
now
the third touch is a strong volatility.
Okay, then now you understand that price is unfair.
yes, it makes sense now.
Guys, I love you guys. They can fight us, but they can't break us. If you were to check this structure and the structure that I'm on right now, can we all agree that they're similar? This structure
Yes.
and this structure, they're right? Are they not similar?
Yeah, they are
Which
similar.
one? Which one?
This structure and this structure, are they not similar?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
they are.
Yeah, they are similar to me.
Okay, if you think we're doubting, we do this. You have the right to doubt. You don't have to agree to everything. Remember, we didn't say the same, we said similar. You see how they're both moving. If I were to analyze them, okay, this is like this. And this is like this. So my G, are they not similar?
They are.
Okay, if they are similar, and we all agree that they are similar, as we could see them. So now, why can't we take the bar pattern of what happened from the highest high to the lowest low? I'm afraid. Money.
So you know,
Yo,
carry
mom.
this kahle kahle.
Wait, I'm calling my mom. I want to tell her I'm the goat. Hey, mom, the son is a goat.
Like you
Why
speaking.
gold, Mara? Why gold? Why not lion?
Yeah, you think now I'll change my handle to Manando the Lion. It's okay. Check, guys. I agree we have the 1, 2, 3 here, right? So when we're having the 1, 2, 3, which we had here, 1, 2, 3, check on the third touch. What really happened on the third touch? The third touch is a risk entry, but then it played out. After the risk entry, price gave you the what? Reduced risk entry. Are we on the same page? So now price has to come and give you the what? Reduced risk entry. Then we can sell. Which pair are we going to now? I was about to call my mom and tell her I'm a goat, guys.
CAT JPY.
CADJPY.
Thank you.
Like when you have a question, Buffett, you need to ask, yeah?
Sure.
It's me, Manando the goat you're meant to.
Manando the lion, please.
Manando the lion. Then we're looking at CADJPY. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes. Yeah, well,
Okay, if it's clear, we're gonna highlight our highest height. We highlight our lowest low. Correct? And then
Sure.
we highlight levels, which makes sense to me. Those are just levels, nothing personal. And then we zoom in price. When we zoom in price, let's see, price can feed with 3 trend lines. 1, 2, there are 3 touches. I didn't fake it. If you can see it, you can say, yeah, I do see it, Manando. 1, 2, 3, correct?
2, 3. Sure.
And then on the 1, 2, 3, you had this thing here, 2 touch. Let me show you something. Here, the 3rd touch failed. So here, what was expected to happen is 1, 2. You are used to price coming for your 3rd touch, but price didn't come to your 3rd touch. Why? Price decided to give you a double top. It makes sense.
Oh, yes.
The class of
Yes,
2020
sir.
class of 2022, we're making it. Last lower low, 1, 2, 3. So I'll remove the markers there. You know, I have a lot of people that are didn't end in the mentorship group and they paid. I need to add them back because I changed groups. But I don't think I'll ever change the Telegram one. I think Telegram is working nice because there's not too much noise. We are running out of time. We are left with 10 minutes. Zoom session on a jealousy. Zoom on a jealousy. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the daily. So when we go to the daily, what I was saying, do you see that it makes sense, the double top?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
So when the double top makes sense, it means it failed. It failed the what? The 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, 1, 2, 3. Shame. Guys, I'm crying for the 1, 2, 3. Shame. Buffett price before it came here. It came here. It went where? Up.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
It came here. It went up. Okay. All right. I wanna change the color to black, and then remove it. I wanna show you something, guys. Price started here. Impulse. It came down.
Correct.
Impulse down. Same thing. Down. What's the next direction, Buffett? What's the next direction?
Going up.
Mina nkhumbula mama.
United line.
Umama ongezalayo. Buffett. Buffett.
But Manado, you see there, check there, it's like a impulse correction. We're gonna have another, I think now we're gonna have
the down-
another
the downside.
correction today. Yes.
But then,
We have a double top.
before, let me tell you something. Before, let's look at this. What's this?
Hi, Nandos, you're killing them. Hi, Nandos, relax.
this?
Double
Nandos.
top on
Is that
to the
a
downside.
double
Okay. Oh, sharp, tango.
Are you killing them, Nandos? Relax, Nandos.
I love you. I love you for raising that up. But then, like we had a what? We had a double bottom. You see, so that's the reason why price could go up because of the what? Double bottom. If
Let's
it was
see.
not double
Listen,
bottom, I would have-
I'm going to close it now because I was selling there.
check this one. You're gonna take this and this, so it's equal. It's equal. What do you call? It's equal. You see, and like if you check, price did what? Price reached the same level.
Yeah.
Ibuke.
I'm selling now. Let me go and close my.
Okay, let's go to the lower time frame again. Let me show you something. Before to show you that this thing is a buy. There's a breakout. After the breakout,
Shit.
we are having a what? A correction. We
A
might
retest, yeah.
but this, trust me, it's a buying correction. And then now we can go to the 1 hour. The correction will show you that it's dropping. Yeah, you see. So now back to the basics. stuff that I'm teaching you. Break and retest. Price has to do what? We are going to Hammanskraal. Stop loss can be around here. This thing is going there. So guys, it was me, your boy Manando the Goat. We are left with this minute. Hoping to see you on the
Manolo the lion.
Yo, it was me, your boy Manando the Lion, guys. Hoping to see you.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Manando,
Okay, before I leave, look at this thing with it. Yes, sis. Imagine you had 1, 2, 3. Check that drop. Your salary is paid, your rent is paid, your wife is good, your kids are eating.
Manando,
Yes, sir.
can we make a group pool funding maybe Boma next week, starting from Sunday, and then trading it the whole week?
Okay, like if guys we agreed to group funding, you know what might happen? We need to trade live.
Okay,
That's
okay.
the
That'd be
only way
nice.
I'll agree, because I don't want to go down. I want us to execute together and do everything together, so that even if we lose, we know what we were doing. You understand?
Sure.
Because people at the end of the day, they tend to ruin our names, or they know what really happened. Yeah, we'll look at that. We'll talk about it in the group. We'll consider it. Yeah, we'll look at it. We'll look at it. We'll look at it.
Danko.
So, guys, it was me, Manando the Lion. I'm out. See you guys. I love you all.
Shalom.
Hey, this is one of the best Zoom sessions, guys. This is one of the
Sure,
best.
sure, Manandos.
You guys, that has to be one of